And just like that, once again, we called that Nakamoto Games bottom. I was anticipating $2.71. I've actually been anticipating it since this breakout over here when we flipped the 618 into support. This support was created above $1, and $1 is right over here exactly. So it was a level of resistance that we had sort of like a god candle pushed through, and then we found a higher low and never returned to $1. But in fact, guys, because it's a psychological level, we're just looking for higher lows above this point, and then we're also going to look at other things in place such as higher lows and this level of support and dragging it forward to see if in the future it does hold, which it did. But not only did we have this as a signal, there was also the golden pocket, the 618 at $1.15 and the 65 at $1.36, but also the 200 EMA just very slightly underneath it at the time. And we know, if you've been following along the channel in the last few months, I called this bottom exactly because we spotted a bullish candlestick pattern at a previous support, and this is actually just slightly above the 200 EMA. You would know by following here for long enough that we don't actually need to touch it, we just need to find bullish candles or bullish patterns to call the bottom. And this is why I was confident enough to say that this double bottom would eventually result in a $2.70 price target, but once cleared, actually an $8 price target. Why? Because this is our previous all-time high, and when you turn the 786 into support, you go to the 1 fib level. Is there a way I can show you this? Absolutely. Look over here on the micro scale. When you push through the 786, where do you go to? The 1 fib level. Look what it does past that point. We've hit the 1272. I'm expecting the 1618 and the 2414, because we need to hit all of these to get up to the all-time high. So if I've just shown you that, then take this to the weekly time frame, put it on the bear market, and what does this suggest? We're looking at a very high price tag in the future for Nakamoto Games. I really do believe this could actually reach $150. You know, if it's too high to reach that, then fair enough. But I really do believe it can get there. If not, we're also going to be taking profits way before. I'm not a type of person to wait for just one price point. So when we do break this high, I'm going to keep adding business as usual. But when we start to get turn that $31 into support, then I'm going to be a bit more inclined to be a bit more careful with my DCAs. I'm still going to buy there, guys. I'm buying business as usual ever since sub 40 cent, in the 20s, in the 30s I've been buying. We are up so much in the Discord, and all we are waiting for this explosion that we've been waiting for since December, November time, it just needs to push through $2.70. I've called this whole move up. We're going to finally meet my target out of this inverse head and shoulders that I've been calling for months on end, even before the breakout over here. And yeah, hopefully this happens very soon. I am envisioning this because this is all that's standing in our way, and we're literally like less than 30 cents away from that resistance. So guys, please leave a like, please comment to bump up the algorithm. This is the only way we're going to grow. If you could also spread the word and subscribe. If you could spread the word by retweeting it as well, commenting on Twitter, just spreading the word in your communities, that would be great. We'll get to 10k a lot quicker, and at that point we're going to grow like crazy. So thank you for the continued support. I am actually anticipating above $100, but we'll take it as it comes. Thank you so much for tuning in. Like, subscribe, comment, and share, and I'll catch you in the next one. Consider joining my Discord if you want day and night support. If you want weekly live streams where I mentor you, don't even worry if you can't make it. They're all recorded. I have a 1 hour 30 recording from Tuesday, and we're going again today. So if you want to get in before tonight, then you have a chance to be in your first group call by today, putting you on a new journey where you will change your life quicker than before. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one. Cheers.